So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is Saturday morning and it is the last day of rifle season here in Pennsylvania. I should be out in the woods, but that's alright. I've got some other things going on today that I want to take care of. See, yesterday I had a little project for a neighbor down by the brick house. We needed an excavator, so I rented one for the weekend and we already wrapped that up yesterday. I didn't get any footage of that. We're kind of in a rush, just wanted to get it done. But I have plenty of work that I can do with that excavator between now and Monday when they pick it up. Down at the brick house there, I want to kind of widen out the parking area a little bit. I got a little culvert to put in down there. But first up, I'll be taking the pole saw down there. I've got a bunch of pine trees down there and limbs that are, low hanging, and I'm just going to cut all that stuff down, get it cleaned up so you can work underneath those trees and go around things and just kind of get it fixed up and ready to start digging. And then tomorrow, I may even, we'll see. I mean, it's been super wet, but it is pretty cold here today. It's real cold, actually. And, the ground's starting to get frozen a little bit. And if the conditions are right tomorrow, I may go back to work on that trail from the loop trail to get down to the brick house. Starting at the brick house, working my way up over the hill with that excavator. But we'll see. It's all going to depend. I'll get started on it, but I'm not going to make a big mess. But if I can get back through the woods okay without a lot of mud and slop, which I think I should, I mean, it's going to be about 15 degrees here tonight. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, I'm going to head down there in a few minutes and we'll start whacking a bunch of, take the pole saw down and get all those limbs taken down. Then that excavator that's down there, it's got a thumb on it. No handwork there. You can just pick them all up with that, get rid of them. That'll be nice. But before I head down there, I wanted to mention a couple things. The other night I had like a video conference with YouTube. It was pretty interesting. I learned a lot of things, and there was 4 other channels, nothing at all like our channel. One was like a travel channel, a gaming channel or something, all real nice people. And but we're on this video conference and you can kind of learn things that I don't understand or know about YouTube. But a few things that they mentioned that are very important that maybe you guys could help me out with. One is, I need to find some sort of consistency on when I upload videos. I just pretty much upload them, when they're ready. Usually you see everything almost in real time. If I'm doing something on a Thursday evening, you'll probably see that video Friday afternoon or something like that. And I want to keep with that. I don't want to, have a whole backlog of videos. I like things in real time. But I was thinking I want to have some sort of consistency on when I upload videos. So I was thinking, something like maybe 2 o'clock weekdays and noon on weekends. And I won't have videos every day. It's kind of hard to commit to something like that because it is an outdoor channel and it all depends on the weather and time, and I have a real job and all that. But when we upload, I'm thinking of doing it, at 2 o'clock on weekdays and at noon on the weekends. So in the comments below, if it doesn't even matter to you, don't worry. But if it's something that you'd like to kind of help make a decision on, comment below and let me know if that works for you or if you have any better ideas. And all those times are Eastern where we live. The other thing is the importance of the thumbnail in the video. Now I knew that was important, but in that little video conference we did the other night, she would put up like 4 different thumbnails all for the same video, and everyone would kind of pick, which one was the most appealing or you were most likely to click on. And there is actually a really big difference. So if you don't mind, go to our Facebook page, Outdoors with the Morgans, and if you like that page, over the next month or so, when I'm getting ready to upload a video, say the next day, certain times we'll maybe post 4 different thumbnail pictures for the next video. And you can kind of comment there and let us know, which thumbnail you think is proper and the best one for that video. There's a lot to all this YouTube thing, the algorithms and all that. I'm telling you what, I don't think anybody understands it. But it's kind of fun trying to figure it all out. And I just like to try to keep getting better. We keep getting better and newer camera equipment and things like that. But whatever you can do to improve, no matter what you're doing, I think that's all good. But anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to grab the pole saw, head down to the house, get all those limbs whacked up and taken down off that pine tree. There's several of them. And then that'll probably be the end of this video. And then we'll probably have a couple on this excavator. I got some pretty cool ideas for videos for that. But anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Here's the machine we have. It's a Bobcat E63. That's a pretty good size excavator right there. It's almost 14,000 pounds. Has the thumb on it. This is what I'll be using later on today. Show you what I got going on here. I got a swale that comes from up behind the house. Water's always flowing through that. And what I want to do is trim a bunch of these limbs off of these pine trees here. Get this opened up. And then I have a steel culvert. Probably like a, I don't know, 20-inch culvert or something that I took out down at the end of the driveway last year. Real heavy culvert. I think what I'll do is put that in here and be able to extend this parking area back in here just a little bit. And also take this bank back a little bit right here. But first up, I got to take a whole bunch of these limbs out. Make it a little bit easier to work and just kind of open this up a little bit. So what I'll do here is, see this old wall, these old steps right here. I gotta take all this stuff out, whole way back to the edge of the house. Kind of widen this parking lot out a little bit. Over by that big culvert pipe, that's not the one I'm putting in there. I'll put a pipe in there, be able to extend it over that way just a little bit. It's real tight up in here to get turned around. So figure while I got this excavator for the weekend, I might as well move the bulk of the dirt. And then come springtime, I will, you know, I got to put a whole new yard in at this place. Get rid of a bunch of dead pine trees. There's a whole bunch of them down here in the front yard. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to tear into. We'll see how it goes. Oh, I wanted to mention, I'm going to put a video up above here. I need you to check it out if you don't mind. It's video 100. It's an older one. And in that video, I kind of went through a whole series determining what a tree was actually worth, whether it be for firewood or saw logs or whatever. But check that video out. I pinned a comment at the top from somebody just this morning, and read his comment and my response. And be nice in your replies, but yeah, I think you'll get a kick out of it. I really do. It's video 100. But anyway, I'm going to get ready here and start tearing into this thing. I got all the limbs out of the way, and we'll see how it goes. So you'll see a couple videos over the next couple days on the Bobcat E63 excavator. I'd like to get this knocked out, and then tomorrow, if it stays real cold like this, I may be able to do a little work on the trails. We'll see. I'm not sure what the conditions are like. I mean, the frost is about this thick right now. It's not very thick at all, and this little bit of snow that we have kind of works as a insulation blanket on top of it, so the frost won't get real deep for a while. But I may be able to get something done in the woods. We'll see. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and the little bell icon to get notifications, and share them with your friends. Thanks.